Have you ever listened to native speakers and thought, wait, why do these two words always show up together? It's like they come as a package. Like fries and ketchup, Netflix and pajamas, and me and coffee.
Today, I'll show you 8 more of these special 2-word expressions that make your English sound smooth and natural. And make sure you watch till the end. I'll put all 8 expressions into one short story so you can hear how native speakers actually use them. And if you want your English to sound even smoother, tap like and subscribe. It makes the algorithm happy. And trust me, you don't want to see it angry.
All right, let's jump in. Because this expression is a good one, and I want to talk about it in a clearer spot over here.
All right, let's start with short and sweet. It means something quick, simple, but really pleasant.
If your friend sends a tiny message like, miss you, that's short and sweet. And when someone gives you a quick, honest compliment, that's short and sweet too.
So basically, when something is short and sweet, it's quick but really nice, simple, pleasant, and straight to the point.
May we make this short and sweet, please?
Short and sweet, if you don't mind.
Well, today I'm sure you'll all be relieved to hear that I'm going to keep things short and sweet.
Next is hustle and bustle. This describes a place full of noise, movement, and busy energy. Think of a crowded street or a busy market. That's the hustle and bustle. Lots of people, lots of sound, lots of life.
Some people love the hustle and bustle, and some people run away from it. It depends on your energy.
I need the hustle and bustle.
Hustle and bustle of life in the big city.
I mean, once you get used to all the hustle and bustle, and that room upstairs, I mean, it's yours.
Next is bright and early. It simply means very early in the morning. If you say, I'll be there bright and early, it means you'll arrive early, maybe too early. When your alarm rings at 6 a.m. and you actually wake up, congratulations, that's bright and early.
Next morning, bright and early, I get the call.
1 o'clock.
I'll see you at the station, kid, bright and early.
If someone asks about your week, you can say, by and large, it was fine. It means most of it was okay. And if someone asks whether you like your job, you might say, by and large, yes. So overall, you enjoy it. It's a friendly, polite way to talk. Not perfect, not terrible, just by and large, pretty good.
The men you dishonor by calling them mercenaries are by and large retired American military personnel.
They leave me alone, by and large.
Next is high and dry. It means someone left you alone when you really needed help. Imagine planning to go to the gym with a friend and they cancel last minute. Yep, you're left high and dry.
At work, if your coworker disappears and you do everything alone, that's high and dry too. It's like life says, you got this, and you're like, no, I really don't. That's high and dry.
And thank you for leaving me high and dry last night.
What you do, sis? You left me high and dry because you thought that you could get more success with Stuart.
Now let's talk about odds and ends. These are small, random things that don't really belong anywhere. You know that one drawer with batteries, coins, old keys, and a charger for a phone you don't even own anymore? Yep, those are your odds and ends. Every house has them, and if someone says they don't, they're lying. It's a great way to describe those little things we keep, even though we don't know why. But it also means tiny leftover tasks you still need to finish. Nothing big, just the little stuff.
No, just some odds and ends.
Reduced to a few random odds and ends.
Next, we have do's and don'ts. These are simply the rules, what you should do and what you should avoid. For example, do watch English videos and practice a little every day. That's a good do. But don't watch them half asleep at 2 a.m. and remember nothing. That's a big don't. It's a simple pair you'll hear everywhere because life is full of do's and a lot of don'ts.
So why don't I get my do's and don'ts for this crew together, and you could come back maybe around 10:30?
So guys, what are the do's and don'ts?
And now we have live and learn. It simply means you make mistakes, but you grow from them. And honestly, we all do that every single day. If your cake burns in the oven, shh, it's all right. You live and learn. And if you lose your keys for the 10th time, yeah, that's live and learn too. And if you follow Google Maps in Istanbul and end up totally lost, you guessed it, live and learn.
Yeah, live and learn.
Live and learn.
All right, quick review. Short and sweet, something nice and simple. Hustle and bustle, lots of noise and activity. Bright and early means super early in the morning. And by and large just means in general, mostly. Then we had high and dry, when someone leaves you alone. And odds and ends, all your little random things. Do's and don'ts, the rules. And live and learn, you grow from your mistakes. So yesterday, I woke up bright and early, not because I wanted to, but because my neighbor started drilling the wall at 7 a.m. I had to go out to take care of some odds and ends. And by and large, my mornings are calm, but not that day. The moment I stepped outside, it was full hustle and bustle, total chaos. I asked a friend to meet me for coffee, and she canceled last minute, left me totally high and dry. So I went to a cafe alone and made a list of my do's and don'ts to feel productive. And when I got home, I realized I left my keys at the cafe, but hey, live and learn. If this lesson made your English a little smoother, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Let it keeps my coffee addiction alive. And share this video with someone who wants to sound more natural in English. Spread the knowledge, not the chaos. All right, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson, and trust me, part 3 is gonna be even better.
Thanks for watching Talky today. Learning